Hey guys, I am going to show you how to turn these beautiful little pom-poms that we've made into a pom-pom garland. Okay, so I have got some scissors, all the pom-poms that we've made, and just remember with my tutorial when you make them, they end up with a couple of strands that are ready to go to attach to anything. Think about where you want to put it up and cut a piece of wool around about the length that you want. I'm hoping to put mine up in the kids' corner, so I don't actually want it to be too long, but hey, cut more than you need because you can always make it shorter. So now it's just a case of tying on the pom-pom. So what I might do is find where the middle is, and then I'm going to tie one on there. And I know I've only got one pom-pom in this color, so that can be my middle pom. Now when I've tied them on, I'm actually going to cut off the extra thread. You could do that at the end once you know you've got them all in place and this is what you want to do, but I know that I'll use these pom-poms for this garland, so I'm not worried about being able to take them off and use them on something else. So there we have it. Pom-pom number one is tied. What I do now too is work out a bit of a pattern for your colors. So I've got a mixture of colors, so I'm just going to put them in order into the color scheme I want, and that will also give you a better idea of how far apart you want to tie them onto your string. So make sure the colors are kind of evenly spaced out. And then also something I've thought about is that I don't want them to be too far apart. Like I'm thinking about there is a good length so the pom-poms just have a little bit of a gap, but they're going to be reasonably close together. So off we go. So that's 3 that I've tied on. You can actually move them around really easily on the wool once they're on anyway. So don't worry too much about how far apart they are. You can adjust it as you go. Just snip off the ends and make sure when you're doing that you don't actually snip the garland thread. Then you'll have to either start again or reattach it somehow. So now that I know how long the pom-pom garland is and I'm happy with it, I'm actually going to tie 2 loops in the end on the garland thread of wool. That will just mean it's really easy to hang off a hook, or you can just hang it off sort of the end of, like there might be something that's already hanging on your wall that you can pop it over the edge of. And now we get to put it up. Okay, so here it is. Doesn't it look so cute in the kids' little activity corner? It's just what I imagined. So I hope you love that. And of course, if you want to learn how to make pom-poms, go to my previous tutorial and then you can start making all sorts of fun things with them, like this garland, or I'm going to do a wall hanging too. See ya.